baby's moving.
Baby moving?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
You know what? I thought this play would be like full with people, like a lot of people, but it's not.
Oh, look to this. To the point kind. Look, to the boat. Oh, look.
Nice. What happened?
We have a running.
Oh, they got grills.
Why is it?
Hey, they have grills. Hey, man, we should one day. Huh?
There's more over there. Papa, there's more over there.
I see. Some people came earlier than us. Huh? Have you noticed that those the Hispanic families are coming here early? Have you noticed that? Yeah, they come here. Yeah. This is a family bathroom. Where? Here? Is it here? Where? Let's walk right here. Let's see. Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Playground. There's a playground.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh wow, this is really nice.
Let's go to a playground. Let's go to a
The
playground.
bathroom right there. Oh, there's a lot. There's down there. Is that men? Let's go here.
Go to a playground. I want to playground.
Oh, there's plenty of grills. Oh no. Let's go here. Because they're big ones. Because there's a big one over there. So let's see what it says. Man, they come here early, right? Huh? Fuck. Oh, it's right here.
We're so close to the playground. There's seats right here. And a vending machine.
You can put stuff right here. Yeah, change it legal. Yeah, change it. Oh, that's nice. That's okay. I see it. I see it.
Mom is saying.
Yeah.
What's it in this? Oh, but there's money.
I'll be here, guys. Okay. that's nice. So it goes all the way around, you know? It goes all stretch around. That's what I want to do. I want to walk around all and just see what it's about, you know? We've never been here before. This is nice.
Oh, this is very nice.
This is better than Greenbrier.
Oh, sorry.
Huh, sir? I like this better than Greenbrier, you know?
It smells
Huh?
so good.
What did I say? It smells cold.
So those are the stairs right there. Huh? Oh man, we could definitely do barbecue here, Sabrina.
Is there sand or no?
Oh, this in. We just you gotta pick where you wanna go. I guess right here, right, so? These I guess we can go down here and go this way, right?
It's so white.
Yo, they brought the whole thing. That's a good idea.
Oh, there's lifeguards. Damn.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice.
You could do a boat.
So I gotta drag my stuff all the way this way.
Oh, but this. But you could do both here. But look, there's a hotel over there.
Yeah.
Should we go to the hotel or no?
I don't know if the hotel's a casino. They mentioned something out here.
Huh? Hey, mommy. Oh, no, we can
So it's a bit of a drag. Yes, bunch of things there. Oh, no lifeguard. I mean, I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna drown, you know. So, Sabrina, this is way better than that Greenbrier. Oh, there's a lifeguard. Oh, this is nice.
Oh, what?
Wow, this is really nice.
Mom, I don't have socks though.
Oh, this is nice.
No, this sample's nice.
Mine got socks, Mom.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.